YouTube? What's going on? Your boy, Not Your Average Hobby, back with another video. Today, we trying a little, PDR. If you don't know, it's Paintless Dent Removal. First time trying it. Got a nice little kit from Amazon. You guys can see, coming on little tapes. It's like the mid-tier one. It's not the cheapest one, but it's not the most expensive one. It comes with every little thing, but comes with all this, instructions, glue sticks, and the glue gun right over here. So yeah, guys, I'm trying this. My first time trying it. I'm practicing on the wagon I got. Let me show you. Well, I already started the process, but I'll show you the two that I tried to do. And it's two on the roof. Tried doing one on the hood. So let me show you real quick. Okay, so can you guys tell on camera? It's on this door and the back door. So this is the one I tried. They were small, real small dings. So let me see if you can see it on camera. I think I pretty much got it, but you can still kind of see where the stickiness of the glue is. So I guess that's one of the hardest parts, trying to get all the glue off. But it was like a small little crease ding right there. I think I pretty much got out. You can't really see, well, I can't really see it in person either, but you can barely tell on camera. It's like right here, right in this area. You can see where the glue is, but the dent is pretty much gone. If I can focus on it. So these are my first time using it. This is the second one. This is another little crease right here in this area, if you can't tell. Let me see if I can get a better angle. But I mean, I guess it pretty much worked for real. Let me see, can you tell? It's right here. So it was like a little, like a normal door ding. So only thing you really see, I guess you could still kind of see a little bit of it, maybe, but this got most of it out. What you can definitely see is the glue. So I'm working on this little ding I have on the hood right here. So I'm gonna see if it gets that out. I already got the hot glue joint set, let it dry. And then there's two on the roof. One right here in this area that I tried to do. I'm not sure if it did too much, if anything. And then this one right here is a bigger one that I tried to do. So yeah, I guess I'm about to try, and I guess I set maybe the tripod and see if I can pull them off and see how it goes. But yeah, guys, I guess it's not too bad of a process. I guess it just takes some practice. First time doing it. You see the side, kinda. I would say it worked. So I'm just trying to do this one small little ding. I wish I should have showed the ding beforehand and afterwards, but I was just too eager to try and get this stuff done. So I'm gonna try again. I'm gonna grab the tripod and pull them and see if it really works. Hold on. All right, guys, got the tripod all set up. Like I said, you feel me? They had different tools, so they had more expensive set, and they had they even cheaper set. So this is right in the middle. If I remember how much I paid, I'll drop it down and right here on the screen. But yeah, I guess I'm about to try this. I put these little feet on. He came with it, so it's supposed to grip on. Little tabs with a grip in that piece, and then lay it flat, and then you're supposed to pull it up. And I think this adjusts the spring right here for the height, so you can fit it on there and have your feet laying flat. But like I said, it's my first time using it, so no pro, but we shall see. Let's try this one. Alright, it's all on there, so now I guess all you do is just, that's it. Yeah, got some spray bottle, I added my own alcohol, so spray it on there, turn the glue off. I guess you just gotta keep buttoning it up, keep scraping, but. Alright, show you guys real quick. Still kind of see the ding. Yeah, you can see right there. You can still kind of see it right there. So, if I clean it up, maybe try one more time, I might get it all the way out. I feel as though doing this, I feel as though it's scratched the paint. All the scraping and stuff, but yeah, I don't know. But yeah, you can still see the little ding right there. So I don't know if I want to keep trying. Because I'm just practicing, seeing if it really works. I don't know if you can fix the hood. You know how hard a hood is, you feel me? So I feel like you should be able to. You can still kind of see it. Alright. Let me try to do the one on the roof. Real quick. Set this bad boy up. There we go. Alright, try to do the one on the roof. Okay, that one popped off easy. So from what I see, the dent is pretty much still there. So maybe I'm not doing it right, or it might not be fixable, or I might need a different tool, like the little, now they got like a dent, like slide hammer thing. That might could work too, but see if you guys can see it. Yeah, you can see it. Yeah, the dent is still in there. So I don't know if it takes plenty of tries, but I did this twice already on this roof, and I guess it pretty much still looks the same. So yeah, guys, I mean, I guess for maybe door dings, I guess it worked for real, because that's the most improvement I've seen on the doors. So maybe if you got door dings, but hood, not too sure. And roof, that didn't work either. So I don't know, maybe if I'm doing it wrong. If you guys have experience, let me know down in the comments some tips or whatever. But yeah, guys, I was just trying to use the you know, Amazon Paintless Dent repair kit they got. So first time using it, so yeah, guess that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I might try one more time, but I don't want to make a video too long. Alright, guys, I got the fin on the lined up next on the driveway. So this one just has one ding I see. Parking next to some clown. You guys seen in that one video I was doing my wheel spacers. That little ding, so I'm gonna try it on the fin. It's the only thing I have. Practice on the wagon. So I do see that you know, I guess it works on, you know, door dings and stuff. Definitely work, but I guess the hood and the roof I ain't have no luck. I only tried it one time. If you gotta keep doing it, but the tools I had, the door dings work, so I'm gonna try and get this done out of the fin and see if it really works. Yep, alright guys. Glue guns all heated up. Let's try this little small joint. Alright, so let's see. Okay, just let that on there, let that dry for a couple minutes. And we shall see. Wipe off these glue guns. It's probably the last time I'm using it. Yeah, I'm gonna let that dry and hopefully we can get this done without causing no damage to the paint. Hopefully I can remove the ding. And hopefully it should all be smooth. It's the only one I have on the fin. Luckily, I got that Ford from the auction, so that's bound to have some things going on with it, but film is all me, so keep my stuff in great condition. Alright guys, it's been a few minutes. Let's see if we can get this joint done. You still kind of see it for real. So let's try it one more time or what. But you guys see it. I did the whole process here. Fresh start. Whole thing's still there. I guess maybe I improved it a little bit. Let's see if I can get this paint transfer off real quick. Alcohol should get. Paint transfer off, but you can still see the little baby ding. So, I'm gonna try one more time. I guess I'll try one more time, guys, to see. Hold on. All right, guys, take two. Here we go. Wish me luck. Apply the glue. Stick it on. Okay, dry. It's literally the last time I'm doing this, guys. If it don't work, then I don't know what to tell you. Then you know for your own self if you should spend your money and get one. I guess maybe depending on the severity of your dents or ding. Some people are like, oh, that little ding, why are you even doing that? Me, I don't know, I'm a perfectionist, especially something I didn't cause. Then it's like, I want my stuff to be, as I left it, clean, dent-free. But parking next to these people with no insurance, hoop these rust buckets, they don't care. No insurance, they don't care. Expired license, they don't care, Expired tech, you know what I'm saying. But yeah, I'm gonna let this dry for another couple of minutes and we shall see if it's fixed. Let's take two. And a small little ding on my finger. So we shall see, guys. Alright. Time to pull this bad boy off. Let's see. Fingers crossed. pump it a few times. Alright. Nice clean. Let's see. Please. Alright, how we looking, guys? Let's see how we looking. Let me get the rest of this glue off here. Yeah, I'm not a fan of using that. If it's scratching my paint up. So, I mean, it did a very little something. It's not really, I would say it's really worth it. Because I scratched my paint up now. And the thing is still pretty much there, so. Yeah, I guess my final verdict is, I don't know, guys. I guess if you got a ding, I don't know. Unless you really know what you're doing or whatever, but it's my first time using it, so. If it's your first time, you'll pretty much be just like me as well. So, I say save your money or, you know, take it to a professional. Maybe they got all the right tools. Maybe the tools I got isn't the best for these maybe type of dents, whatever. But I feel as though it worked on the two little things on the forward door, but on this, I can definitely still see it might be a little better, but. I would say maybe not really. Definitely still feel it. Yeah, whatever. Small little ding. Alright guys. I'm out of here this time. Gone.